Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to transfer Bitcoin from your Tangem wallet to an Arculus wallet in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, knowing how to move your assets securely is a game changer for any investor. Whether you're switching for better security features or just organizing your holdings, this step-by-step guide will make it effortless and stress-free. Let's dive right in. First things first, before you start, make sure you have both wallets set up and verified. You'll need the Tangem wallet app installed on your device, some Bitcoin in it, and the Arculus wallet ready to receive funds. Also, double-check that you're on a secure internet connection to avoid any risks. Crypto transfers aren't reversible, so safety is key. Okay, let's get to the steps. Step 1. Open your Tangem wallet app and navigate to the dashboard. Locate your Bitcoin balance and select the amount you want to transfer. It's that simple. Most apps have a clear, send, or transfer button. Step 2. Enter the receiving address from your Arculus wallet. To find this, open the Arculus app, go to the Receive section, and copy the Bitcoin address. Paste it carefully into the Tangem app to ensure accuracy. Remember, one wrong character could send your Bitcoin into the void, so triple check. Step 3. Review the transaction details, including the amount, fees, and network. In 2025, Bitcoin transactions might be faster with upgrades like the Lightning Network, but always confirm the gas fees aren't eating into your profits. Once everything looks good, hit confirm and authorize the transfer with your Tangem security PIN or biometric auth. After that, sit tight. The blockchain will process the transaction, which could take a few minutes to an hour depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Arculus wallet to confirm the Bitcoin has arrived. A few quick tips. Always use hardware wallets for high-value transfers like this to keep things secure. Watch out for any phishing attempts, and consider using a VPN for added privacy. If you run into issues, most wallet apps have excellent support resources. There you have it. That's how you transfer Bitcoin from Tangem to Arculus in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the ropes, and it'll give you more control over your digital assets. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay savvy out there.